Rifles, those long-range beauties, have always held a special kind of allure in the heart of America. But let's be honest, some rifles just grab more of the limelight than others, don't they? Certain legendary models truly distinguish themselves from the vast sea of lesser-known firearms, absolutely carving out their place at the top. So what exactly are these rifle titans that have fiercely earned their spot at the pinnacle of popularity? What incredible qualities make these particular long guns stand head and shoulders above the rest? Join us now as we embark on an exciting journey to explore America's most popular rifles and uncover the undeniable magic that makes them so beloved. Kicking off our rifle lineup is the ingenious Kel-Tec Sub2000, a carbine-style rifle with a truly revolutionary party trick. It can fold completely in half for maximum portability. Do you honestly need any other reason to understand why this is one of the most cherished rifles in America? Probably not. This rifle can literally collapse down to a mere 16 inches, making it an absolute dream for anyone who needs something incredibly compact and effortlessly easy to transport. Whether it's tucked into a backpack, a small case, or discreetly hidden in a vehicle. When we talk about its weight, it clocks in at just over 4 pounds, which is light enough to comfortably carry practically anywhere your adventures take you. The barrel itself measures a respectable 16 inches, delivering excellent accuracy while still maintaining that remarkably compact profile. And here comes the truly fascinating part, a real head-scratcher for some. The Kel-Tec Sub2000 is ingeniously designed to accept magazines from some of the most widely used and popular handguns out there, like Glock and Beretta. So, if you already own one of these pistols, you can seamlessly use those very same magazines for both your handgun and your rifle. Talk about efficiency. This rifle is also incredibly customizable, coming standard with a versatile 3-position stock, allowing you to easily adjust it to perfectly fit your body size and shooting stance. Furthermore, the M-LOK handguard provides ample space to attach all your favorite accessories, from tactical lights to foregrips. Another fantastic reason to adore the Sub2000 is its effortless tool-free disassembly for cleaning, making maintenance a breeze. And if you're concerned about firearm safety, which you always should be, fret not. The gun can be easily locked into its folded position using a key, ensuring it cannot be fired when collapsed, adding an invaluable extra layer of security during storage or transport. The Sig Sauer MCX Rifles have become an absolute favorite across America, and their exceptional adaptability is precisely what makes them stand out so profoundly in the dynamic world of firearms. One of the coolest, most groundbreaking features of this rifle platform is its remarkable caliber conversion capability, which allows you to effortlessly switch between different ammunition types based on your specific needs or mission. You can even swap out the barrels for various lengths in a matter of seconds, giving you the best of both worlds: pinpoint long-range precision and agile close-quarter maneuvering, all from a single firearm. Now you no longer have to invest in multiple rifles for different purposes, as a single MCX can truly do it all. Pretty impressive, wouldn't you agree? Sig Sauer MCX Rifles utilize an advanced gas-operated short-stroke piston system, which is a real game-changer. This innovative system keeps the rifle remarkably clean and reliable, ensuring exceptionally smooth operation even during extended firing sessions. The system itself features 2 adjustable gas settings, allowing you to fine-tune the amount of gas cycling based on your specific ammunition or suppressor use, further enhancing the rifle's incredible flexibility. The MCX rifles are notably lightweight and feature a side-folding stock, making them far more compact and significantly easier to transport, even in tight spaces. They also incorporate a robust rotating bolt system, which fully locks the bolt securely in place, ensuring a rock-solid, safe breech seal during firing. Additionally, both the bolt and bolt carrier are treated with a durable PVD finish, which is highly resistant to wear and corrosion. This means that no matter the harsh conditions you're shooting in, this coating helps maintain the rifle's legendary durability and longevity. The controls on these rifles are incredibly user-friendly and critically ambidextrous, including the safety selector, charging handle, and a magazine release that is easily accessible to all types of shooters, regardless of their dominant hand. Plus, the intelligently beveled and flared magazine well ensures lightning, quick, and exceptionally smooth magazine changes, which is absolutely vital during critical moments. Furthermore, the integrated quick detach sling points are a huge practical help, allowing you to comfortably and conveniently carry your rifle around with ease. With this entire suite of impressive features, it's no wonder why the MCX rifles have become a beloved favorite across the entire country. And finally, topping our list and having earned its venerable place as one of America's most universally popular firearms is the iconic Ruger 10-22-22-22. This rifle operates on a reliable semi-automatic mechanism, which functions with remarkable smoothness and consistency, providing dependable cycling of rounds shot after shot. The rifle boasts a timeless, classic aesthetic, often featuring beautiful hardwood stocks and a traditional blued barrel, offering both enduring visual appeal and lasting durability. The receiver itself is a true beauty, featuring smooth, clean lines that not only enhance its elegant appearance, but also impart a distinctly modern yet undeniably classic feel. The Ruger 10-22 is exceptionally easy to handle, thanks to its compact and lightweight design, ensuring that whether you're a seasoned adult shooter or a budding young enthusiast, you'll have a wonderfully enjoyable experience at the range. One of its most iconic and unique features is its legendary detachable rotary magazine, which feeds bullets into the chamber with remarkable smoothness, virtually eliminating any annoying jams or feeding issues, contributing significantly to its reputation for reliable and efficient performance. The Ruger 10-22 also has a wonderfully user-friendly magazine release that lets you effortlessly remove the magazine from the rifle, making for quick and completely hassle-free reloading. The barrels are cold hammer forged, a process renowned for producing incredible strength and pinpoint precision, and they are securely attached to the receiver using a robust 2-screw V-block system, ensuring they stay firmly in place, shot after shot. The rifle also comes ready for extensive customization right out of the box, including a versatile combination of scope base adapters that provide options for both Weaver style and .22 tip-off scope mounts, giving you the ultimate flexibility to set up your weapon precisely the way you want it. The Ruger 10-22 rifle is truly the quintessential go-to firearm for any American who simply loves to shoot. These rifles have undeniably earned their distinguished places as America's absolute favorites. And after seeing all their amazing features, it's incredibly easy to understand why they're so beloved. Wouldn't you want to give one of them a try too? Let us know which one captures your interest the most in the comments section below. Thanks so much for tuning in today. We'll see you very soon. And until then, stay safe and keep those targets in sight.